What's going on, guys? We got two of the cleanest EFs. Well, this one needs a little bit of restoration. Has some rust on the doors. Interior is semi-clean. Just needs the rear consoles in the back. It's a 1988 CRX SI. Another rust spot there. Sunroof works, but the bump stops needs to be replaced. Door cards are in good condition. Definitely needs attention to that seat over there. This one is all right. Let's go ahead and show you guys the motor. It's a B16 8.3 from a 1995 Del Sol. No oil leaks. Everything has been replaced. I put a skunk tube cam seal. Factory valve cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets has been replaced. Headers are new. Never been in an accident. Definitely needs some TLC. Original paint. Do a walk around. Has a stock suspension. Let's go ahead and start up the car. The belt definitely needs some replacement or some tightening up, the alternator belt, but other than that, the car is solid. VTEC kicks in really hard. Has an aftermarket exhaust. I mean, it's clean for the year, you know. That's some rust right there as well. Go ahead and pop the gas lid. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions in regards to the CRX. Thanks for watching.